What happened to her eggs?
Well, given that they were not fertilized eggs, I don't think I should be talking about this with her right here. You don't mind, Mama? Okay, so we threw them away. All 22 of her first set of eggs went to the garbage. She has taken a bath and laid at least 2 eggs every other day since then. And she told me she wanted me to give them back to the earth. So we just yeet them into the backyard, like, throw them, just toss them. Tell them, Mama, that's where the eggs went. They're gone. Tell your friends bye.